Hey, Victoria.
Speed.
Yeah, everybody knew it was happening.
That's weird. What are you doing? Victoria, what are you doing? You ready to go night-night?
No.
Are you going to miss Mommy when I go bye-bye?
Yeah.
Are you going to go with me or are you going to stay with Daddy? Stay with Daddy?
Yeah.
Do you want to go to Aunt Heidi's?
No, it's at you.
You want to stay with Daddy?
Yeah, it's at you.
Can I have a big hug and a kiss bye-bye? Thank you. Hey, Victoria, can you blow me a kiss? Have another one? I love you. How old are you?
Why?
You're not 5. How old are you?
2. Why?
You're 2.
Toy.
Are you going to be good at Miss Diane's or Mommy's bye-bye? Victoria, are you going to be a good girl when I'm bye-bye?
Yeah.
What are you reading?
Apple.
You're reading about apples? Do you have hiccups?
Yeah.
Yeah, how'd you get those?
No.
Whoa, careful.
No.
You okay?
I'm fine. I'll show you, Mom.
You're
I'm
fine.
sorry.
You're not so. Don't worry, you're okay.
I'll show you.
You don't need to be sorry. It's okay.
Go to the doctor.
What? What are you reading?
A book.
A baby book?
Ouch.
Do you want help?
Oh, no. Baby. Get you.
You ready to go night-night?
No. Look.
Where's baby?
Me.
Where's your blankie?